Hi everyone, it's me back again at this channel, Festus Tech HD, and my name is Festus. So back in the days ago, I created this channel. I started up with the motivation of making technology videos, how to use technology products like phones, tablets, computers, and also any other devices that could be smart in the home. So as I began making videos, I got interested, and now I upgraded my skills. So I'm now having the skill in my head and in my hands of fixing devices. So in case you have any of your devices that is messed up, either cracked screen, malfunction in the hardware, or software corruption, so I can be able to fix it right here from the place where I am. So this all happened since last year when the lockdown started. So I had to gain many skills, and so this is how I got the skill of repairing devices. So first, I got some lessons from Udemy and also IFixit. So IFixit is the best solution for all device repairs, be it medical devices, academic devices, business devices, even home devices, and also kitchenware. So all those you can find their manuals, user manuals, and repair guides on iFixit. That's the best genuine site. So iFixit is the #1 solution for all device repairs. This is iFixit. So there are toolkits. You can see different essential toolkits, electronics. So we have screws and also precision bits. So everything is right here. So they have exclusives, toolkits, and guides. So iFixit, you can get useful help from here. You can see repair guides, answers forum, right to repair, the stores. So repair guides, there are so many, whereby you only have to choose by device. This is iFixit. Mac, tablet, phone, car and truck. This is all what they could repair. Sorry, what could be repaired. So iFixit is the genuine solution in case you want to start up a business and also gain technical skills of device repairs. So with me right here, I purchased my repair kit. Here it is in this packaging. So let me reveal to you. This is packaging 1. This is the first packaging, and also this is the main packaging. So in this box, let me begin with this. So here's what I have. I have unified kits here. I'm actually forgetting their names, but I know them. I know where they're applied. So we have this kind of tool. This is the first tool we have. It could be a spudger, so it is heavy duty. So these are disassembly tools. This one too, and also this one, double-sided. So we have these screw bits. These are screw bits, and also this, and this is the biggest, so it does all the work you need. And the suction cup, this is a tiny suction cup for little work, remover for screens on phones. Take an example of this. You want to remove a screen, so you just have to place it and pull the screen off the phone while you're disassembling the device. Try not to do this with your phone, because there are other professional kits you need to have the screen off. You need a heating gun. So going to this lower side, I just injured my finger. So we have these pry tools. So one is in such a format, and also this is in such a format. This is also similar to this. They do the same way, though this could do on bigger screens like laptops and also computers, but they are all nice. They are from IFixit. As you can see their logo, IFixit very clearly. So they are in pairs of two. Oh, I'm losing them. I think I don't have to lose any of them because they are all important. So we also have this tool here. It's a storage kit. We have a demagnetizer and a magnetizer part. So in case you want to store screws, you just keep them here. So we have a set of 85, could they be 85 or 115 screw heads. So they are capable of working on a wide variety of devices. So this is all with this kit. Let's go to the next packaging. So in the next packaging, this is my storage box. We have a magnetic mat for phone repairs. These are alcoholic wipes. So we have a hand tool for for securing me, the technician, from shock, current shock, electric shock. This is salt tape. We have a steel rule. This is a small ruler. We also have a blade, but it is tiny, so I added on this bigger one for heavy duty. So we have other opening tools. We have this, and then we have these metallic ones. They are all used for opening a wide variety of devices. We also have this, and also this tiny one. This tiny one does a very good job when you're working on bigger devices. So we also have such tools, pry tools for disconnecting fibers, and also this one, metallic one. Also have this pointed, and then this. I've never used it. I don't know what it does. Also have this, and then we have this bigger one. This is for heavy duty. In case you want to remove big screens, you can use it. So you can get all these from a genuine retailer anywhere once you start off with your lessons on Udemy for repairing tools. And also IFixit. So those are some of the skills I got earlier last year. this is all with the repair kit. So I hope you can also enjoy fixing your devices. These are the professional tools in here. So hope you could get yourself any of these. So they are very important when you're repairing your devices, because going to the town for repairing is kinda expensive, and you may be biased when your phone is destroyed by the non-skilled technicians. So I experienced it, and right now I'm the one in power of my devices, so you could also repair yours. Give a thumbs up to this video if you enjoyed it. Comment your thoughts about this topic in the comment section. I'll be ready and happily waiting for your comments. So hope you enjoyed the video. Please, if you're not yet subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Just hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Then you turn on the notifications so that you get updates when I post a new video about tech. Festus Tech HD is the channel right here. So see you in the next video. May God keep you safe. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.